Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Myrthe is back. You always ask for tutorials like how do you do this, what do you use. So we're going to talk you through this whole video. We're going to learn everything we do. Bear with us, have fun. Well, you as well. Putting a neck strip around you. Cape. Start off, I always use these clippers, the Wahl Senior and the number 2 guard, 6mm. Start at the bottom, work your way up. And set a first guide, and the straighter you go up, the more it already blends. So don't follow the shape of the head, it goes straight out. Follow the whole head around. Don't bother too much about this area because it's getting shorter after the 6mm guard. Same on this side. Now switch guards to a number 1. Oh, there it is, 3mm. Tilt head forward a little. Start at the bottom, go up, but not until the number 2. Leave enough space to blend it out. Or in. Again, the more you go straight out of the head instead of following the shape, the more it already blends. These dimples, make sure you tilt your clippers instead of going straight in. Just follow the flow of the hairs. Around the ears as well. This is the natural hairline. Put your clippers in this position and then go up. Instead of going this way, you'll create a big opening over here. Now around the ears, tilt the ear forward with your middle finger or index finger. Go in like this. They always create a little line up here. We're going to blend that out later. Sideburns, the same. Twist your clippers a little. Now to blend it in, there's a little line over here. You can go in and straight out. See, or open lever. So we created a new line over here. We're going to blend that in with a 1.5 guard, 4.5mm. Lever closed. Go in. It doesn't cut too much, but it blends in all the hairs perfectly. Just with bleach blonde hair, you'll notice every line. And if there's one client that's picky about her hair, it's this one. Hold the ear again, go in. See, all the lines are gone. Je ben ook een klein plekje vergeten.
Ja?
She bleached her own hair. I just told her she missed a little spot over here. And now she almost threatened me about these lines. So I'll do this with scissors instead of going too high with clippers. Because she wants to leave some length up here to make it look good. She actually cut it herself the last time down to 12mm. And was a little shocked about how short it got. Because usually we stay at 15 or even 19mm. Let's do the other side as well. Switch back to the number 1 guard. Does it focus? Yeah, it does. Because there's a little line up here that I want to get rid of. Lever all the way open. Go in very gently around the ears. Now what you can do is place your clippers straight into the head and go up then. It leaves it a little bit longer so you don't have to switch guards that often. So position like this into the head and go up. It leaves hair longer than when you do it like this. Now for the back, she said she doesn't want it too short, but I'm not listening, so I'm going to take off the guard. Now the lever fully open, so not down to 0, it's almost 3 millimeters. Go in from the bottom. You see there's not too much coming off. See there's a little line up here, I'm going to remove that later. With another guard. Now closing the lever slightly, so not all the way, but a little, then go in again and stop just before the line you first made. And always try to follow the shape of the natural hairline. So don't blend your way up like this, but do it like this. So more closed, just for the bottom part. There's a little line up here. I'm going to use the half guard. First start with your lever fully open. Tilt your head forward a little bit. Great. Go over it. See, and it blends this line perfectly. Again, straight up instead of following the shape of the head. For a little trimmer, Wahl detailer, cordless. Tilt the head a little. Look for that natural hairline. Don't start stroking along the whole neck because it gets red and irritated. Just do the first part, then turn it around. You can go up with the trimmers. Side the same. Look for the natural hairline. Around the ears, let's turn you a little. Fold the ear forward again. Just go in with your trimmer. Don't go too high, because that's ugly. Don't take little bites out of it, because that's ugly as well. Somebody did this. Now on the other side, because we've got 2 chances to do this right. Fold the ear. Pull it back a little, so you can do this area. That's it. To blend this in, we're going to do that scissor over comb, or let me show that first. You can do it with clippers as well. If you go in, see these hairs? Take them off, go a little bit higher, take it off as well. See, in this way you blend in these hairs perfectly, but I like the softness of thinning shears better than clippers because you always create a little line, and this is easier to do at home. Be careful not to go too fast, like if you make it too short, just gentle cuts, move your comb up, and always cut until there's no hair in your comb left. If you want to leave these parts longer, like somebody asked, just go in, tilt it a little, and then go up. See, it leaves the hair quicker. The more you follow the shape of that with your comb, it's the same as with clippers, the shorter the hair gets up here. And the angrier the client. Check in the mirror if there are no bumps and if it's smooth. See? All super smooth. The same in the back. Don't go up too high because you need some length over here. Well, length over. Not that much length, but you need a little more length to just flatten the crown area a little, because else she gets these antennas to stick out. And you need a lot of wax to tame that. It's the same trick on the other side. Just blend it in without going too high. And there you go. Now for the best part of the whole haircut. Actually, Myrthe once said, don't you forget anything? I didn't shave out her neckline with a straight razor. She was very upset. No, just kidding. I make her look like a bad person on this video, but she's actually pretty cute and cool. There we go. First apply some shaving cream. You don't need too much. Tilt your head a little this way. Always put your thumb above the razor, not underneath, because when you slip, you slide into your thumb and that hurts and bleeds like beep. So above, pull the skin a little tight and then just go over it, right next to the hairline. Clean the blade in between. There we go. Same over here. Always check the skin first if there are any bumps or spots or everything that sticks out, because when you run your knife into it or razor, it bleeds. So you want to prevent that. So she's got a little mold over here that sticks out. Make sure you're not running over that. Now to take care of the skin, just use a little balm so it doesn't get red and irritated. Massage it in a little. Clear all the hairs from the edge of the cape so it doesn't get stuck underneath her clothes and itches all day. And just remove the cape. And then for the best part, show your client the back. There you go. You can see a little bit of color transition. So maybe she'll bleach it again tonight. I think so. That's it, guys, we're done. She looks super cool. Thank you for being the model. Don't you guys forget to hit the red subscribe button down here. Leave a blue thumbs up. Thanks for coming and see you guys in the next video. Bye.